What is up, everybody? My name is Braden. You're watching MotorBiscuit and you're joining us for the 2023 Sun Valley Tour de Force. Of course, as usual, I have to start the video standing here in the field of Porsche 964s. This year's title sponsors of the Sun Valley Tour de Force are Porsche and McLaren, so you know we have some pretty exciting stuff to look forward to. So what we're gonna do is jump right into it and show you all the awesome cars we have right now. We are at the driver check-in, the tech inspection, the safety meeting, and after that, we'll venture out to the car show. And of course, tomorrow is the iconic high-speed event, and you are going to be joining me and MotorBiscuit for the entire duration of this event. Let's see what Sun Valley has to offer for us this year. Strap in, it's gonna be a good time. After all the cars are checked in, washed, detailed, and inspected for racing, it's off to this big grass field here in Ketchum, Idaho for the Sun Valley Car Show. One of the only places in the world you'll probably ever see a McLaren Senna just kind of sitting in the grass, and probably the only place you'll see it next to an MSO HS. But it's not just supercars out here. There's a little bit of everything for everybody. Let's check out what we have here to offer at the Sun Valley Car Show, and then tomorrow morning, bright and early, it is off to the high-speed runs at Phantom Hill. And here we are, the final day of the Sun Valley Tour de Force. Right behind me is Highway 75, right here by Phantom Hill, just about 15 minutes outside of downtown Ketchum, Idaho, where a standing mile is shut down for these supercar owners to see how fast they can take their cars. It's a little bit of a challenging course because there is a sweeping turn that then turns into the straight, but if you want those top speed numbers, you have to keep your foot to the floor through that corner, like we discussed with Jason Fensky from Engineering Explained last year. If you want to check out that interview, we'll have it in the little eye in the corner up here. But now let's sit down and enjoy some supercars doing what they were built to do, but on a public highway.